I'm Dana from Bangladesh. I'm so glad to be here today. Today I'm going to tell you about inspiration thing. I wonder, what do you guys think? What do you guys think the inspiration is?
Anything.
Okay. I think the word of inspiration is the word of life, because if you get some inspiration, then you can get some options to get select, and finally the selection can design your life. So in conclusion, I think the inspiration makes your life. So from now on, I'm gonna tell you about what inspiration made me. There's three kinds of inspiration for me: travel, the book, and family. Let's start with travel. Traveling has a lot of benefits. It can reset your mind and discover yourself, and it can give new experience. I wonder, have you guys heard about expression out of sight, out of mind?
Yes.
It means if you get out of some situation, then you won't suffer that situation anymore. So you can empty your mind and fill your mind with something new. I think if you guys have ever traveled, you maybe know that we can get a lot of spare time while you are in traveling. I realize that the spare time is so meaningful for me, because this helps me think about myself again and again. And then finally I could discover myself. And while you are in traveling, you can experience what you didn't expect. So it can make us learn how to adapt in the new situation. The second inspiration thing is the book. The book named If You Knew What You Knew has inspired me. Actually, when I was young, I tend to delay my happiness by waiting for my perfect future, such as achieving a goal or get something new, brand bag or stuff. At the time, I'm really happy, but that happiness doesn't last long time. According to this book, big happiness, earth signs, only can last in a moment. So only when you are living in a moment, you can get a chance to find your own happiness. And also, I can learn from here how to find my happiness in a moment. That is, be positive consciously, not unconsciously. It's the best way to keep you being really happy. The last thing that makes you happy is love. Fundamentally, the love is one of the most valuable things that can make your life fullest or meaningful. And the last inspiration thing is family. Sometimes my family gives me advice from their experience. For example, my second sister was struggling with unemployment because at that time, some years ago, there's not many jobs. So she suggested that I should major in nursing, which is guaranteeing being employed 100%. For that reason, unfortunately, I've never suffered from worrying about not being unemployed. And my mom always said to me, don't be serious on your life. Actually, I think she must know well how to enjoy their life. She always suggests that I have to find best thing I can enjoy. And the last thing is their love, my family's love, which is one of my best forms of momentum. These are all of my inspiration things. I think there are so many inspiration things all over the world. So I will get that as much as I can get from now on. And then I will make my own life that I never regret. Thank you for listening to my speech.
What is the best place during your traveling?
My best place is a desert in Australia, because when I have been there, every 10 hours per day I have to be on bus. So at that time I get so many spare time. At that time I can solve my inner problem at the time. So desert is one of my best spot.
When did you think about that English is so important thing in your life?
When I was in trip. At that time, I go to trip through the foreigners agency, so I can meet a lot of foreigners, German, Netherlands, Finland, or something other nations. At that time, they can sympathy with each other, but I can't because I'm not good at speaking in English, so I can share the emotion. At the time, English is really important to communicate with each other. Thank you.